Pros and cons of irrevocable trust versus a life estate. Estate planning often involves navigating complex legal tools designed to protect assets and provide for loved ones. Among these tools, irrevocable trusts and life estates are two powerful options with unique advantages and disadvantages. Choosing the right one requires careful consideration of your circumstances and goals. An irrevocable trust is a legal arrangement where the grantor transfers assets into a trust, relinquishing control. These assets are legally owned by the trust itself, not the grantor, trustee, or beneficiaries. A life estate, on the other hand, allows an individual, known as the life tenant, to retain the right to use a property during their lifetime, while the ownership of the property automatically transfers to another party, the remainderman, upon the life tenant's death. The legalities of irrevocable trusts and life estates. Both tools are governed by specific laws that impact asset ownership, tax liability, and eligibility for benefits. With an irrevocable trust, assets are no longer part of the grantor's estate. This separation often shields them from creditor claims and can help reduce estate taxes. The trust must adhere to strict terms, and its permanence underscores the importance of drafting it with the guidance of a skilled attorney. Life estates involve splitting property ownership between the life tenant and remainderman. This allows property to bypass probate upon the life tenant's death. However, it also limits the life tenant's ability to sell or mortgage the property without the remainderman's consent. Legal requirements for these agreements can vary, making the assistance of a lawyer essential in ensuring proper execution. How to choose between an irrevocable trust and a life estate. Deciding which tool to use depends on your specific needs. If asset protection is a priority, an irrevocable trust offers unparalleled security. By removing assets from the grantor's personal estate, this tool safeguards them from creditors and reduces estate taxes. It is also effective for Medicaid planning, as assets in the trust are excluded from Medicaid's 5-year look-back period in New York. Life estates, however, can be a simpler option for transferring property to loved ones while retaining the right to live in the property. This is especially beneficial for those looking to avoid probate. But it does not provide the same level of asset protection as an irrevocable trust. For example, creditors can place liens on the property, which can affect the remainderman after the life tenant's passing. Consulting with a Long Island estate planning lawyer ensures that your chosen tool is tailored to your financial and legal needs, helping you navigate the complexities of estate law with confidence. Understanding the processes of irrevocable trusts and life estates. Creating an irrevocable trust involves transferring assets to the trust and designating a trustee to manage them. This process requires detailed documentation, including terms for distributing assets and contingency planning for future changes. The trustee is bound by fiduciary duty to act in the best interests of the beneficiaries, adding an additional layer of oversight. Establishing a life estate is comparatively straightforward but comes with its own limitations. The life tenant retains rights to use and benefit from the property, but any significant financial decisions regarding the property require the agreement of the remainderman. This arrangement can simplify property inheritance but may introduce complications if all parties do not agree on future decisions. Choosing between an irrevocable trust and a life estate is a pivotal decision that shapes how your assets are protected and passed to your loved ones. Each has its strengths and drawbacks, and the right choice depends on your specific estate planning goals. To explore these options further and tailor a solution to your needs, contact Schlessel Law PLLC. With a deep understanding in estate planning, our law firm ensures your decisions align with both your financial goals and legal requirements. Call us today at 516-574-9630 or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States. Let us help secure your assets and protect your family's future.